You've been doing crunches wrong. Squats build abs faster than anything else you're trying. Most people think abs come from endless sit-ups and planks, but that's not how your body actually works. Here's the truth. Your core muscles are designed to stabilize your entire body during movement, not just crunch up and down. When you squat, something incredible happens. Your abdominal muscles activate to keep your spine upright and protected. Your rectus abdominis, your obliques, your deep stabilizers, they all fire up at once to hold you steady. This is called core bracing, and it's way more effective than isolation exercises because it trains your abs the way they're meant to work. Deadlifts do the same thing. Any compound movement that challenges your balance forces your core to work harder than crunches ever could. The science backs this up. Fitness professionals now focus on core stability instead of reps because it builds real functional strength. Better posture, better balance, better lifting strength, fewer injuries. That's what happens when you train your core the right way. Start with 2 to 3 squat sessions per week. Pair them with proper nutrition and hydration to support recovery and growth. Your abs will thank you. Your back will thank you. Your entire body will feel stronger and more stable. Stop wasting time on crunches. Start squatting. Your core has been waiting for this the whole time.